We're always looking to get students involved in the trades. It's such a hard thing to hire anymore. We don't hire necessarily welders that are just looking to weld only, but we do hire a lot of mechanics, electricians that for them to know how to weld, it's very important. Whenever they're doing brake fixes and whatnot, there's times where they've got to be able to weld. So we like to train our folks, our technicians on how to weld. And I think it's important to show the young generation what it's like, what you can get into, the art of welding, so that they get excited about the field of electrical, mechanical, welding, and whatnot, the trades.
And this is such a great opportunity. It's so important to invest in our area youth. They are the future. So when this opportunity came up to give some students the opportunity to explore welding as a potential career and educational path,
the biggest thing is safety, obviously, number one. But just to get them interested, get them, just to see what they can do. See where when they first come in here and they start running beads, not so great. By the time they leave here, they're still not going to be perfect, but just to see how much better they get in the short period of time that we're here.
Trying to motivate the kids, show them what's out here locally as far as in their community, with the jobs and careers that are out there, and hopefully it's leading to employment opportunities for those kids and want them to stick around the area.
We're finding that if we work together as manufacturers, I think we can do better things for our community, for our kids, get awareness out there of the trades, and that just helps us all to be successful.